Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today, we've got another Boxycharm delivery. And honestly, I think I've mentioned this before. You know, I signed up for Boxycharm again, and they make you sign up for the basic, and then if you're interested in the deluxe, you have to go on the waiting list. And the first time, I don't know, 2 years ago, it took me a while. This time, it was like that. I paid a little bit extra money, and now I kind of have no clue whether I'm getting a regular Boxycharm and a luxury or just the luxe. I've got no clue. This one says Sweet Treats, and it's not even, it doesn't tell me what month this is. Oh, all right, right up on top is this Kinder Beauty Glow. Oh, it's a highlighter. Okay, what is the box, the card says? This palette includes 3 universal flattering highlighters and 1 marbled highlighter. Talc-free, buttery formula, melts into the skin. All right, it's been a while since I've been using highlighter, but I'm curious to see what this looks like. I certainly don't lack for highlighters. Oh, it's a person's face there on the front. I was trying to figure out what that is. It reminds me of Mary Kay packaging because it's pink. Oh, all right. Well, not exactly my colors. I feel like they're a little too dark for me. So I'm going to say that one's a miss. And MSRP $15. Not a huge deal. The next thing, Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. All right. Well, we are moving out of the time of the year when I'm having problems with dry skin. But this is it's a fast absorbing, luxuriously lightweight oil that delivers intense moisture. What's it got in it? It's got cocoa I shouldn't even try to read the ingredients. Let me see if there's anything I feel like pronouncing. Triglycerides, coconut oil, some kind of a seed oil, sunflower seed, hibiscus seed, honey extract. All right. I don't have a problem with coconut oil. Clearly, if you did, this would be a product that you would want to avoid. And I'm just really having a hard time getting it open. All right, so it's a nice heavy glass bottle, nice packaging, a dark color on that. All right, I'm curious to try that. That says that it is $48 for the retail price on that. Oh, all right. I don't wear false eyelashes. Never have. Can't imagine that I'm really gonna start now. So that goes in the giveaway pile. And here is something from a brand Eloise. I am not familiar with that. This says it is Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. I don't think I need my body to glow or be illuminated. A non-sticky, lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas of the face and body for a dazzling, buildable glow. It says it's a transfer-proof formula filled with ultra sparkly reflex to radiate your skin. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is champagne rich is the color. All right, I've got to see it. I cannot imagine, what am I, going out to the club? No, nope. I am 52. I don't go clubbing anymore. I don't need to sparkle and be bedazzled. Oh my gosh. Can you see? Look at that. How sparkly, shiny is it? I'm wondering, like, can I use it on my legs in the summertime to give them a glow? Let's see. All right, you can see the size drop I have put on my hand there. Oh. All right. So can you, is that showing up? Is it picking up the lights? It is, okay, it just reminds me of when we used to put baby oil on our legs in the summertime. It's just gonna give it a nice glow. So hopefully, we'll be having the neighbors over this summer, sit in the backyard by the lake, and I can don my shiny leg stuff. All right, and last but not least, this is from Studio Makeup. Oh, sorry, that Eloise was $38, by the way. This is Studio Makeup. It's a tinted moisturizer. Okay, and does it have, with hyaluronic acid, of course. What doesn't have hyaluronic acid these days? It's in a shade called Honey Light. I am curious about this. I'm not wearing a ton of makeup these days. So, all right, it's got a nice pump tube. And, oh, all right. That's what one pump looks like. Okay. All right. So it's not, that's not a bad color. That's a good kind of summer color for me. There, before and after. All right. I think I'm gonna like that. What does it say? That was, $35. All right. And there you have it. So the lashes were $38. So nominally about $160, $170 worth. Is it what I would go out and spend? No, but I am glad to say, as I said, to try the Tinted Moisturizer and the Pharmacy Honey Grail, the face oil. And it will be fun if I remember that I own this. So yeah, it's about what I've come to expect from Boxycharm. I was glad not to get a ton of useless makeup. It's much easier for me to find uses for skincare. Thanks so much for joining me. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and have a great day.